Hi, this is Jacqueline with Nickel and Dime Decor, and in today's segment on the Half Log Cabin Quilt that I'm making, we're going to square up our blocks. I've got all 36 of them done, and I'll just show you briefly how I squared them up, and then we'll put them on our design wall, which my design wall is plaid, but it'll work. It's what I had and it's what I put up there. You know, ordinarily I have to do it on the floor, and I thought, no, we'll see if we can't create a design wall. So thanks for joining me, and I will be right back, okay? I want to show you guys, I'm squaring up all of my blocks, and I wanted to show you you have to find kind of a common ground, because each side is going to need a little bit. And so I have lined up my ruler right here 3 1/8 on this 5-inch strip, and I know you can't see it, but I've got it lined up basically all the way down, and then I'll have a little bit on each side to trim, but visually it will be centered. And you just turn counterclockwise or clockwise, I don't know which way it is, and line up those marks again. You want to line up, you know, up here and down here, but you've got to get your marks first. So now I have 6 1/4 is what we're trying to achieve. And it's good that we have a little leeway to do this, because we know it's not going to be just perfect, but we want to get it there as much as possible. Got 6 1/4 down here, 6 1/4 over here, and my marks are lined up good over here. It's just little tiny slivers that you're taking off, but now it looks perfect. So that's how you do it. Just find your this little strip, put your markings 3 1/8, the 1/8 over here. Find your 6 1/4. Some of them will need more trimming than others. There's my markings all the way down. Whoops. Hope that didn't matter. I slipped a little. Rotate again. I'm going to rotate this way. It's a little bit difficult to find that mark sometimes. And you might have to go back and do one or two more again. Got 6 1/4 down at the bottom, 6 1/4 on this side, and I'm going to have to trim one little spot right there again, I think, straight across the top. And I'm going to go back and trim that little piece of green there again. It's raining today and it's very dark in here, but I'm so thankful for the rain. Okay. So now you know how to square them up. Okay, I will try to talk as loud as I can. All I've got is my picture to go by for my layout, so that's how we're going to start. And I hope my my blocks stay up on my board, which they're going to. That's exciting. Okay, now it shows that the white goes this way. And then our white goes this way. And I know this is going to take a minute, but I want you to see the unveiling. Okay, that's that one. Now our white goes this way, I think. And then, where am I at? Okay. Then the two darks goes this way. And the last piece goes like so. Can you already see the white going that way? And I tried to get it where my center points are all different on the rows. You know, there's 6 blocks on the row. Okay, now the next one is dark. Okay, that's not right because you want your whites. Okay, why isn't that right? think maybe that's it. Oh, goodness. This is hard, y'all. Maybe I should figure this out all by myself and then oh, and that's not right. That is not right. No. Well, I'm going to have to figure this out and come back. Gosh, guys, it's hard to see where your rows are, you know, which row you're on. It's very, very hard. But I'm making it, and look how beautiful already. Just so exciting to watch it come. And you can see your whites going that way. After we get them all on, if we don't like, you know, like these two are together, or, you know, if there's something you don't like, we can always change that. Yeah, I don't like those two together, but, you know, for right now, I like how the red is evenly spaced, and I like it so far. Now, if you see, I'm getting something wrong. Can you see that? This one is wrong, I think. You get so confused. Oh my goodness. No, that's not right, is it? Mm-mm. Is it right? I don't know. I don't think so. I think this is the problem. Agreed? How about that? Well, I'm going to keep trucking and get it all done. And when I've got them all placed, I'll come back and let you look. And there's other ideas. You know, in the book, it showed you different patterns that you can make with the same. Here's another barn raising. We could even do that. Here's another one. And here's another variation. All those variations with the same blocks we could do, but I just want to get this done and see where I'm at and see how it goes. And I will be back and we'll go from there. Well, there it is, guys. I am so proud. Isn't that just gorgeous? And I think my colors, well, I can see this print is basically in the lower part and not much in the top part. But you know what? I've got it done and I don't think I'm going to change it. Because you know, you start messing around, you're going to get so confused. I know if you can't find the pattern, I know in my heart that you can make this if you will go back and watch the video of cutting it out and write everything down, and you can do it. You can do it without a written pattern, because I hope I've made it very plain. And take a picture of this, of your finished block, and just get your phone and take a picture, and that way you'll know how to lay out the blocks. And my greens, reds, and creams, you know, me only having 8 different fabrics and only 4 different background color fabrics, I did just fine, didn't I? It looks great, and it would have been more interesting to have more colors, but It's okay. I'm very, very pleased with it. I think it will just be beautiful on my table. And I'm going to put, I'm pretty sure I'm going to put this red as my backing. Right there, that red, I think. Or I might just do a cream coloring. Whatever. Well, that's it. That is our Half Log Cabin Quilt. And the pattern is barn raising. R-A-I-S-I-N-G. Thank you for watching. Get busy and make you a half log cabin quilt. God bless. Well, I forgot to tell you that we still have our borders to put on. Remember, this is 2 inches, and you just measure when you're finished. Measure and cut out your top and bottom. Sew it on, then measure your sides and sew them on. And then this is 5-inch border. So it's, it's going to be a decent size when we get the borders on. So I forgot to tell you that, and that's very important. Thank you again. God bless.